What's going on, Icon Global Warriors? I just want to say happy Motivation Monday to you. We are here. It's Monday. It's time to get this week started in the right direction. I know it's coming up on about almost 6 months now since we sat down in Atlanta at the conference and training. I hope you guys are so inspired by your environments. So this Monday, I want you guys to really lock into what I got to say to you and share with you. So I want you to write this down if you have to. All right? You need to surround yourself with like-minded individuals who are going to continue to inspire you. It's coming up on 6 months. And I know some of you have gotten that tap on the shoulder. Some of you are almost in that position to get that tap on the shoulder. Some of you feel like the tap on the shoulder is not coming, or it's not coming soon enough. Maybe it's because your environment is not motivating you or inspiring you to keep hope alive. So today I want you, for the rest of the week, I want you to figure out who those individuals are around you, who are inspiring you, who may be naysayers, who may be those who just have a ill mentality in terms of dreams and inspirations and goals. I want you to eliminate those individuals who don't line up with your thinking and don't line up necessarily with where you're going and what your dreams and goals are. Because these people will hold you back. These people will deter you. They will become roadblocks. They will be speed bumps. So if you don't eliminate them now, what's going to happen is 6 months not only will be knocking on the door, it will be here. And you'll start to doubt yourself or wonder why you even went to the class, why you even went to the training. And you shouldn't be thinking that way. You should be talking to people who are going to say to you, listen, man, you're going to get that tap on the shoulder real soon. Keep studying. Get on the message board. Ask questions. Drop some hints. Drop some gems. And learn, share, continue to network. But what you can't do is you can't find yourself in a position where you're with people who are going to allow you to doubt yourself, doubt your ability, doubt everything that you learned in the classes, doubt the fact that you spent money that you could have used somewhere else. It was money well spent, and it's not about the money, it's about the experience. And if those people don't allow you to truly believe that your experience is way more important, then you have the wrong people around you. Now, I'm not saying that you can't be friends with these people, but you have to change your environment. Once you do that, you start to find yourself with like-minded people. That's why it's important to be on this message board. It's important to be with like-minded people, people that got the tap on the shoulder, people that are still hungry for the tap on the shoulder. I need you to stay hungry for the tap on the shoulder, because the shoulder tap is coming. You just have to believe it's coming, but you have to put in the work. You did the training, I know it. You studied. You guys were in the rain, I get it. But you have to maintain a sense of hunger for it, passion for it. You got to wake up and you got to keep that head on swivel. You got to keep, searching for things that advance. When you go to work, if you got a daytime job, advance it every day. Just look at something different. Go to the local library, advance that to see how you will break it down. Come back to the message board, share that with somebody. Share with E. You have so many resources here on the message board, but I want to get back to my original point. I need you guys, as spring cleaning is here, I need you to take some of those people out of your rotation, take some of those people out of your environment, and insert the right people who are going to inspire and motivate you to keep going, to let you know that tap on the shoulder is coming. And if they don't tell you, I'm here to tell you. Get ready for that tap on the shoulder. It's coming. It's Motivation Monday. It's your boy June Archer here, Icon Global. Make today great and make the week amazing. I'll talk to y'all soon.